The technique has evolved over the years, classically called the root stretch. With emerging trends, the root stretch has developed into the colour melt. For a softer transition of lightness and tone, it's important to work with the haircut as this will guide your technique and application. The colour melt introduces freehand, working closely towards the root area with a combination of seamless weaves and foils. The technique gives a melting effect of lightness.
Conduct a creative consultation. Begin by taking a profile parting towards the low crown, then take a diagonal back parting from the mid-recession to the low crown. Isolate and repeat on the opposite side to create a horseshoe section. Subdivide the hair underneath the horseshoe section into 4. Put on protective gloves. Starting from the nape, take 1-inch partings and apply Formula 1 from the new growth through to the ends. Repeat until the section is complete. From the radial, take 1-inch vertical partings and apply Formula 1 until you reach the hairline. Repeat the same technique on the opposite side. Progressing on to the horseshoe section. Subdivide the hair at the radial towards the front of the ear. Take 2-inch partings within the section. Then create a seamless weave and apply Formula 2 using classic folds. Continue working in the same way, leaving a 2-inch veil of the hair at the top of the section. Repeat on the opposite side. Move on to the front sections. Subdivide 3 inches back from the hairline, leaving a small amount of natural hair. Create 3 back-to-back seamless foils and apply Formula 2 with classic folds. At the side sections, work horizontally up the profile with 2 to 3 inch partings. Create seamless weaves using Formula 2 within the packets. Leave 2 inches of natural hair at the parting to frame the technique. Repeat on the opposite side. With the remaining hair, use a freehand blending technique to apply Formula 3 between every other classic packet. This provides colour variation. Process for up to 40 minutes, then rinse and repeat with your chosen Tigi Copyright Care Shampoo and Conditioner. Tone the hair with Formula 4 and process visually for up to 20 minutes. Rinse and remove using your recommended Tigi Copyright Care regime.